Digital marketing is filled with noise, and trust has become the rarest currency online. At its core, leadership is the integration of how we think, act, and live across business, work, and life. And in the digital world, adaptive leadership shows up in our ability to adjust, innovate, and lead effectively in a rapidly changing environment. And remember, we're all called to lead in some way, even if we don't have a formal leadership title. Welcome to Digital Marketing Secrets, folks. I'm Richard Fontenay, and today we will explore an absolutely important topic. Say what you mean, authentic reviews that build real influence. Now, if you haven't already, take a moment to subscribe so you don't miss future episodes designed to help you grow your digital presence with clarity and confidence. So why does this topic matter so much? Because people are no longer just buying products. They are buying trust. And in a world where reviews, recommendations, and promotions are everywhere, integrity is what sets you apart. Let's start with a simple logic. If your audience does not trust you, they will not follow you. If they do not follow you, they will not buy from you. And that, my friends, is the simple truth. Integrity in digital communication is not just a moral choice. It's a business strategy. Many of you know that I like to share 5 actionable strategies to help you on your digital journey. And today, the 5 strategies focus on building trust through transparent, honest communication. The first strategy is to promote only what you believe in. This sounds simple, but it's often overlooked. Many new marketers promote products based on commissions and their potential rather than their value. Now, here's the problem. If the product does not deliver, your credibility suffers. Instead, take the time to use or research the product. Understand its strengths and limitations, then communicate honestly about your experience. For example, if you're reviewing a tool, share both what works and what could be improved. This level of honesty builds trust. The second strategy is to be clear about your intent. Transparency builds confidence. If you are using affiliate links, say so. So, for example, check out my affiliate links below. If you are being compensated, disclose it. This does not weaken your message. It strengthens it. Your audience appreciates honesty, and when people know where you stand, they are more likely to trust your recommendations. The third strategy is to simplify your message. In digital marketing, it is easy to overcomplicate. Too many features, too many claims, too much noise. Instead, focus on clarity. What problems does this product solve? Who is it for? And why does it matter? You can do this with a slide, a video, an email, or all 3. Samples abound in each, and if you are uncomfortable with videos, use email or a slide presentation. But make your message simple, because when your message is simple, it becomes powerful. Think about your audience. They are looking for guidance and not confusion. The fourth strategy is to tell real stories. Stories create connection, and connection builds trust. Instead of listing features, share experiences. How did the product help you? What challenges did it solve? For example, if you are promoting a course, explain how it improved your skills or results. Be specific and be real. Another example, this course showed me how to improve my writing skills in 30 days. And it did so in a simple and straightforward way. Authenticity resonates more than perfection does. The fifth strategy is to stay consistent. Trust is not built in a single post. It is built over time. Consistency across your message, values, and behaviors reinforces your credibility. If you are honest one day and exaggerate the next, your audience will notice it. But when you consistently communicate with integrity, your audience comes to rely on you. So what do you think of these 5 strategies? Promote what you believe in, be clear about your intent, simplify your message, tell real stories, and stay consistent. Let me know if they are something that you can do, and let me know in the comments below. I would dearly love to hear from you. Now let me share a simple story. An at-home entrepreneur started promoting digital tools online. In the beginning, he focused on quick wins and high commissions. His content attracted attention, but not trust. And over time, engagement dropped. Sales became inconsistent. And then he made a shift. He began promoting only tools he personally used. He shared honest reviews, he simplified his messaging, and he stayed consistent. The results did not change overnight, but gradually something important happened. His audience began to trust him. Engagement increased, and sales followed. This is the power of integrity in digital communication. Now let's bring this into practical action plan. Step 1 is to audit your current content. Review what you are promoting and how you communicate. Ask yourself, is this honest? Is it clear? Is it aligned with my values? Step 2 is to refine your message. Focus on clarity and simplicity. Eliminate unnecessary complexity. Step 3 is to commit to transparency. Be open about your intentions, affiliations, and experiences. Step 4 is to create value-driven content. So focus on helping your audience rather than just selling to them. And step 5 is to stay consistent. Show up regularly with the same commitment to integrity. Now, if you're just starting out, this might feel overwhelming. So just remember, you do not have to be perfect. You just need to be honest. So start where you are. Use what you have and focus on building trust, one interaction at a time. Remember, your audience is not looking for perfection. They are looking for authenticity. And authenticity comes from alignment. And alignment, along with what you believe, what you say, and what you promote. Now, as you build this alignment, your confidence will grow. Your message will become clearer, and your impact will expand. Now let's bring this back to leadership. In digital marketing, you are not just a promoter. You are a leader. You are guiding your audience. You are influencing decisions, and you are building relationships. And leadership always comes back to trust. When you lead with integrity, your communication becomes a bridge between your message and your audience. And that bridge is built on honesty, clarity, and consistency. So here's your next step. Choose one piece of content this week. Rewrite it with transparency and clarity in mind. Ask yourself, does this build trust? If the answer is yes, you are on the right path. But if the answer is no, adjust until it does. Because in digital marketing, leadership is what builds trust. Trust builds everything. Remember, sustainable excellence is built in rhythms and not marathons. Well, that's it for today, folks. If this conversation resonated with you, please subscribe, like, and refer to a friend. And thank you for doing so. I'm Richard Fontany. Join me next week as we explore another important digital marketing strategy, active listening, and its connection to burnout. Why don't you join me? Bye for now.